So right here we have the storm cloud Amsonia. There's the tag. The way it grows out of the ground reminds me of peony. It's really cool how the leaves kind of encase the new flowers that are coming in. It's definitely reminiscent of a cocoon. To clean it, you just follow the stems down to the bottom of the plant. And you can see last year's stems in here. These pointy ones are really helpful because you can weave your way between the new stems and the old stems and cut. Of course, it's always helpful to pull out any debris, sticks, leaves that have invaded its space over the winter very carefully because the new growth, some of it is very tiny. If you're having a hard time getting in there, you can use a little stick or something to help you brush things out. This one's too thin, but I don't know, maybe this one will work. There's a pebble. It's not great to have mulch on the crown of the plant anyway. Here's a good example of why you want to be careful. The old stem is very close to a new stem, so just get in there with these pruners and cut. It's going all the way down to the ground. These old stems won't grow any more leaves or flowers. That was close. You can always grab a little stick and move it over. One more, two more. One more. That's it. There, it's actually really cool. It's a beautiful plant, and you'll see why it's called storm cloud. Here's the storm cloud Amsonia. It's pretty tall. It's like 2 feet tall. So cute.